Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just before Christmas, with the Christmas shopping, I had some herbs delivered. These were £1.25 each. That's mint, with some coriander there. Let's see what else we've got. Some rosemary, you can see that. And what else have we got? Some basil. And I've got some flat leaf parsley. So yeah, some basil there. So yeah, just want to show you how easy it is. These were, like I said, these were only £1.25 each, which is absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to open this up and show you. Just going to show you what is in here. That's lifting straight out of the pot. This smells absolutely divine. Yeah, British mint, grown in Sussex by John Benfield. So yeah, just give these a walk because they dried out on me. But I'm just going to show you for £1.25 how many plants you can actually get for £1.25. It's absolutely amazing. That's 2, 3. That's 4. Mint, I don't plant it in the garden because it spreads and then you just can't get rid of it. So if you're going to grow mint, I would recommend growing it in containers like so. Growing it like this means you can just come and put a bit off whenever you need it. You can also give some to your friends and family, because these in no time will have filled these pots up. I mean, that looks a little bit rough, that one, but it's got roots all the way down, so it will come back. Like I said, so what's that? So that's like 62 pence each for each one of those. And I wish you could smell it, absolutely divine. So yeah, once you've done like so, once you've got them in the pots, all you need to do then, just hold them. It doesn't matter with your mint if you plant it a little bit deep, because it will send out new roots. So just give it all the way around like so. Give it a tap down. You want it just below the lip of your 9cm plastic pot. So yeah, I also ordered some seeds. I will be growing some herbs from seed as well, because I'd already ordered the seeds before I went on and discovered I could buy these for such a low price. It is nice to get these for this price, but I do get an enjoyment out of growing things from seed. So yeah, that's those done. I said 4 out of those. And £1.25. So I've got 4 for £1.60 pence a piece. All I'll do with them then is just give it a little bit of water from the top. And they'll go in my tray to soak for half an hour. And take out, you can put them on your windowsill in your kitchen. So whenever you need any mint, just give it pull some leaves off, give it a quick prune, and it'll come back. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.